Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today we are assembling a cute little Easter bowl for the table, just as kind of some little bunny decor to bring in the holiday. I can't believe I haven't done any Easter decorations or crafts or DIYs on this channel yet this year. I was planning it a couple weeks ago early on and had a couple ideas, and then the holiday kind of crept up on me, which you would think is weird because with everybody being locked at home basically, what do you have to do other than think about things to do? Mainly it's just been lamenting not going outside on beautiful sunny days such as this one, but somehow in all of the time I had to plan it, I didn't plan it or make videos for how to do Easter decor. So I'm gonna fix that, and we're going to do at least one Easter bunny craft this year, and that is going to be today. I have a couple different items. When I went to the store, I found these like a cute little, I don't know, dip bowl, chip bowl, something like that. It looks like a little tulip, like a little flower, which I liked. And in a different section, there were these bunnies. I think they're like a type of resin or plaster maybe, but wow, with the way the light's hitting it, that looks a little creepy, but it's super cute in real life. I'll do some close-ups so you can see that it's not a creepy bunny, it's a cute bunny, it's just the way the light's hitting it. But I wanted to attach Mr. Easter Bunny to the bowl and then fill it full of some colorful sparkly eggs. I was thinking of taking the pastel eggs, but then I saw the ones with glitter, and you guys know I love glitter. So we are doing a super, super easy Easter decoration DIY today. It's mainly just assembly, but aren't those the best types of crafts? Not a huge time commitment, just lots of fun, super fast, and cute decor for your table. I'll link everything you need below, along with my socials. As always, let's get going. So the very first thing that I want to do is to attach my bunny and my bowl. I need them to sit at the same level on the table. So if I do that, you can see the bunny sits quite a bit higher than the bottom of the bowl. But if I put his little paws right on the edge of the petal going down, then he fits just about the right size. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have my hot glue gun drying off to the side here. And by drying, of course, I mean heating up. So I'm gonna pop just a little bit of hot glue here and just a little bit here. And put Mr. Bunny on, just kind of position his paws right over the bowl like that. Kind of slide him into place. Just like that, and let them dry. And believe it or not, this is the majority of the craft. Actually serious on that. So mainly it's just attaching him. Once it's dry, I'm gonna add a little bit more hot glue on his tummy because that is touching the bowl. And then we're going to fill it full of cute decor pieces. You could use this as like a chip bowl if you get a food safe plastic bowl. This one is food safe. It's dishwasher safe too. It's not microwavable, but the bunny is not dishwasher safe. So this is gonna be more either like a trinket bowl or a decorative bowl since I'm putting the bunny on there. But you could definitely put a little bowl inside of it filled with food or filled with wrapped candy. Like I said, I'm doing the glittered eggs, but yeah, you can mainly do whatever you want. He's basically dry. We're gonna grab some more hot glue and get him firmly attached so that we don't have our Easter bunny hopping away from us. Okay, so the little bunny is set up perfectly to rest on the table, but he's very, very fragile with the hot glue. There's a big gap in between his tummy and the bowl, and I'm basically just going to pump that full of glue. I'm gonna come in from the side. I think that'd be easiest, just kind of get the gun as close to the narrowest part between his tummy and the bowl as possible. Gonna go in on both sides. Here we go. I don't want to wiggle it around too much. There's still a very large part that's not connected by the glue, but I'm gonna let this dry for a second so that I've got a bridge to build off of. Because if I put the bowl and smush it against the rabbit, it's gonna break the bond on his hands. His hands are kind of resting on the bowl and kind of giving us a marker for how to glue him on there, but they're not gonna support him as is, so we definitely need a larger contact point, and that's what this is gonna be as soon as it hardens and we get some more glue in there. There we go. So our bunny is glued on to our bowl, and you can see the hot glue's kind of connecting him in place there. Bowl's not falling. If you hold the bowl, the bunny's a little bit heavier, so it might rip off, but mainly just be gentle with it. And now we can fill it full of our beautiful kind of cellophane pretty things. Just a little bit of visual interest there. And our glamorous glittery Easter eggs. So we've got big ones and little ones. I'm gonna put the big ones more towards the bottom because they'll peek through. Keep the little ones for the top. Just kind of use this to fill everything up. There we go. Now we have the little ones for the top. And this would even be great with those chocolate egg candies like Cadbury, or even like the little Hershey's ones, or Nestle, I'm sure makes some. But look how cute that is. I want to switch this, I think. I want the red there, green there, and the gold there. There we go. Like I said, super easy and cute, and just an adorable, sweet little Easter decoration for your table. Some glittery eggs in a tulip bowl, and the Easter bunny looking on. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick Easter DIY craft, and I'll see you here again soon. Bye for now.